On today's menu, a refreshing drink that will bring the island sunshine to you. Pineapple and coconut smoothie.
Lay home ma everyone, I'm Wil Yeung. This is an easy and fun summer drink you can make.
Remove the top from the pineapple.
You'll need a little bit of patience for this part. Just go slice around.
Make an X in the pineapple. Loosen and scoop out the pineapple with a spoon.
Just do your best and scoop out as much of that pineapple as you can. Just have a little bit of patience. Just look at this amazing deliciousness. It smells incredible. Now, you'll get better results if you use frozen pineapple, but it is optional.
About 1 cup worth of frozen pineapple. 1 cup coconut milk. 1 banana. Blend on high. Pour the amazing smoothie back into the pineapple. You can now enjoy this incredible smoothie in a creative and fun way.
Now this is a fun, delicious way to have a coconut pineapple smoothie. That is incredibly refreshing. Remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.